Welcome to the top best. The best lens wipes is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone who wears eyeglasses or uses delicate optical equipment, as keeping your lenses pristine is crucial for clear vision and the longevity of your eyewear. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of lens cleaning tissues to help you find the most effective, convenient, and safe options available on the market today, ensuring your view remains crystal clear without any streaks or scratches. Number 5. CareTouch Lens Cleaning Wipes and Microfiber Cloths. Experience unparalleled clarity with our premium cleaning solution. Designed for all your delicate lenses, it ensures a streak-free shine every time. Our specially formulated wipes gently lift away smudges and grime without scratching. The included microfiber cloths provide a final polish for a perfect finish. Whether it's your eyeglasses, camera lenses, or electronic screens, these wipes are your go-to for pristine results. Keep all your valuable optics clean and clear. Each wipe is individually packaged for convenience on the go. Easily store them in your bag, pocket, or car for quick cleanups anytime, anywhere. With 200 wipes and 6 microfiber cloths, you'll have plenty for extended use. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and protection for your eyewear and devices. Don't let smudges dull your view. Our cleaning wipes restore the original brilliance to your eyeglasses, making them look and feel like new. What we like? This option comes with a generous supply of wipes and bonus microfiber cloths, making it a great value. If you need a comprehensive cleaning solution for multiple items like eyeglasses, camera lenses, and screens, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for households or individuals who want to keep all their optical devices and screens in top condition. What people say. They are packaged well, so I haven't had problems with them drying out. Generally, there's enough cleaning fluid to clean my glasses or phone screen thoroughly, but not too much to keep them from drying quickly. No streaks, and they get my lens clean with very little effort. Number 4. CareTouch Lens Wipes. Introducing CareTouch Lens Wipes, your ultimate solution for pristine eyeglasses. These individually wrapped wipes ensure a gentle and effective clean every time. Our pre-moistened wipes are designed for a streak-free shine on all your optical devices. Experience the convenience of a perfect clean in seconds. Formulated to be gentle yet effective, these wipes safely clean eyeglasses, camera lenses, and sunglasses. Remove smudges and dirt without worry. Each wipe is individually wrapped, making them perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Keep a pack in your bag, car, or pocket for clear vision anytime. With a generous count of 210 wipes, you'll have a reliable cleaning solution for an extended period. Enjoy consistently clear and comfortable vision. Choose CareTouch for all your optical cleaning needs. They are the smart and portable choice for maintaining the clarity of your valuable lenses. What we like? These are individually wrapped for maximum freshness and portability. If you're always on the go and need a quick, effective clean for your glasses or sunglasses without any fuss, these pre-moistened wipes are ideal. They are perfect for keeping in your bag, car, or at your desk for instant clarity. What people say. They are packaged well, so I haven't had problems with them drying out. Generally, there's enough cleaning fluid to clean my glasses or phone screen thoroughly, but not too much to keep them from drying quickly. No streaks, and they get my lens clean with very little effort. Number 3. ZEISS Pre-Moistened Lens Cleaning Wipes. Experience the convenience of pre-moistened wipes designed for your lenses. Achieve a streak-free shine with every use. These wipes are specially formulated to be gentle on your lens coatings. They effectively remove smudges and dirt without causing damage. Keep a pack handy wherever you go. They are ideal for quick cleanups of eyeglasses, sunglasses, and camera lenses. With 200 wipes in each container, you'll have a reliable cleaning solution for an extended period. Enjoy clarity whenever you need it. Trust in the renowned quality of ZEISS for your optical needs. These wipes deliver the performance you expect from the brand. What we like? From a well-known brand in optics, these pre-moistened wipes offer reliable cleaning. If you prioritize brand reputation and a consistent, streak-free clean for your eyeglasses, this is a solid pick. It's suitable for anyone who wants a dependable solution for maintaining their eyewear. What people say. They clean effectively without streaks, residue, or any risk to lens coatings, which is exactly what you want when dealing with high-quality optics. Each wipe is individually packaged, convenient to carry, and ready to use when needed. They remove fingerprints, dust, and smudges quickly, and the lenses come out clean and clear every time. The inside of each package is lined with foil to keep the cloth moist. They never dry out, and they clean glass perfectly. They are also much larger than most lens wipes. These wipes clean my glasses extremely well. It never leaves streaks or smudges and makes them crystal clear. The wipes are just moist enough to clean up your glasses and don't dry up quickly. Number 2. Care Touch Microfiber Eyeglass Cleaning Cloth, 12-pack. Experience a superior clean for all your delicate surfaces. Our cloths provide a gentle, scratch-free wipe, ensuring a streak-free and crystal-clear view. Clean effectively without the need for harsh chemicals. They are ideal for all your delicate screens, including phones, tablets, and computer monitors. Each cloth is perfectly sized for daily use. They are compact enough to fit in any carry case, making them ideal for on-the-go cleaning. These cloths are designed to last. They are reusable and machine washable, withstanding multiple washes without compromising their quality. Crafted from 100% microfiber, they offer a gentle touch for all types of lenses. Enjoy a lint-free and scratch-free cleaning experience. Get a large, lint-free, and scratch-free clean every time. They are designed to be gentle yet effective on all your valuable devices. What we like. This product focuses on reusable microfiber cloths, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning solution. If you prefer to avoid disposable wipes and want a durable cloth that won't scratch your lenses or screens, these are perfect. They are ideal for regular cleaning of eyeglasses, phones, and other delicate surfaces. What people say. Soft, cleans well, no worries about scratching the surfaces. Also, washable. They clean effectively without the need for harsh chemicals, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. These cloths dry quickly after use, reducing the chances of mold or mildew growth. Number 1. Ordilend Glasses Cleaner Eyeglass Cleaning Kit. Tired of foggy glasses? Introducing the Ordilend Glasses Cleaner, your ultimate solution for crystal clear vision. Experience long-lasting clarity with our 24-hour anti-fog spray. Say goodbye to constant wiping and hello to uninterrupted views. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. It comes with a powerful anti-fog spray and a soft microfiber cloth for gentle yet effective cleaning. Designed for life on the go, this cleaning tool is perfectly portable. Keep your eyewear and camera lenses pristine wherever you are. Not just for eyeglasses. Use it to keep your camera lenses sharp and clear too. It's the versatile cleaner you've been looking for. Invest in clarity with Ordilend. Enjoy a clearer perspective and a more vibrant world around you. What we like. This is a complete kit that includes an anti-fog spray, which is a unique feature. If you're looking for a solution that not only cleans your glasses but also prevents them from fogging up, especially in changing temperatures or while wearing masks, this kit is for you. It's perfect for those who experience frequent fogging issues. What people say. The 24-hour anti-fog spray works really well, keeping lenses clear even in humid or cold conditions. The microfiber cloth is soft and gentle, cleaning without scratching or leaving streaks. The kit comes with a very handy tool that is kind of like prongs, and you have these pads that pop onto the two prong-like round holders at one end. The pads are polishing cloth cleaning pads and they just pop right onto each prong-like holder. This kit comes with 2 of the pads already installed on the holder. Plus you get 4 more, so that's a total of 6 replaceable pads. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.